The internet is completely obsessed with garlic water right now. Influencers and so-called health experts are calling it a magic elixir for immunity, longevity, and flawless skin. But what does science actually have to say about this? What physically happens inside your body when this pungent cocktail hits your stomach? And most importantly, should you really be drinking it every single day, or is this just another internet myth? Today, we're going to decode the truth. If you enjoy looking past the internet hype and finding out the real science behind everyday things, subscribe to Everyday Decoded and ring the bell. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, your kidneys will actually get healthier. Kidney infections are absolutely no fun, but this is where garlic water can actually make a difference, and scientists back this up. A study conducted by Punjab University showed that garlic actively prevents the growth of a pathogen called Pseudomonas aeruginosa. This specific bacteria loves to cling to the walls of the urinary tract, causing all sorts of painful kidney problems and infections. Researchers suggest that consuming 3 to 4 cloves of garlic a day, or simply drinking a glass of garlic water every morning, can act as a shield for your kidneys and give your body a solid head start for the day. Reason number 2, it acts as a natural blood thinner. If you're dealing with high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol, garlic water might just be your new best friend. According to nutritionist and macrobiotic coach Shilpa Arora, garlic water does wonders for your lipid profile. Essentially, this means that by drinking garlic water, you are actively stabilizing your blood pressure. In fact, a study conducted by the College of Pharmacy at King Khalid University revealed that taking between 0.57 and 0.99 grams of aged garlic extract lowers blood pressure just as effectively as some prescription medications. And your cholesterol? It's in good hands too. Research out of Oxford University found that garlic can reliably drop your bad cholesterol, also known as low-density lipoproteins, or LDL, by 10 to 15%. Pretty impressive, right? So, the next time you feel your health dipping, just pour yourself a glass of garlic water and let it do its thing. Reason number 3, your blood sugar stays under control. Since we're already talking about how garlic impacts your blood, we have to mention another widespread issue it targets: high blood sugar. Unfortunately, this condition demands constant monitoring because elevated blood sugar can trigger a cascade of health problems like diabetes, obesity, and more. But thankfully, garlic water has your back. Research conducted by the Faculty of Science at Kuwait University revealed that raw garlic effectively drives down blood glucose levels. That's just one more solid reason to make garlic water part of your daily routine. Reason number 4, you will build stronger bones. Osteoarthritis and joint pain are among the most common conditions worldwide. If you're dealing with these issues, you absolutely need to add garlic water to your diet. According to a study published in a major journal on musculoskeletal disorders, a diet rich in allium vegetables, like onions, leeks, and of course garlic, can significantly lower the risk of developing osteoarthritis and other bone-related diseases. Here's the science behind it. Garlic helps the body maintain healthy levels of estrogen, a hormone that is crucial for skeletal growth and overall bone health. I think it's safe to say that a morning glass of garlic water will go a long way in keeping your bones strong and healthy. Reason number 5, your vision will actually improve. Another surprising effect that garlic has on your body is how it changes your eyesight. And the best part is, these changes are completely positive. Researchers in Iran conducted a study proving that garlic actually lowers intraocular pressure inside the eye. But that's not all. Another study by experts at Cumhuriyet University in Turkey showed incredible results. Garlic actively fights off the microbes that cause corneal inflammation, which is a seriously dangerous eye condition. So yeah, your eyes will definitely thank you for that extra layer of protection. Reason number 6, your workouts will become significantly more effective. If you've been searching for a natural pre-workout boost, you can call off the search. garlic water might be exactly what you need. A study conducted by Rabindranath Tagore Medical College found that patients with heart conditions who regularly consumed garlic saw a measurable increase in their exercise capacity. On top of that, research from a health institute in Japan confirms that garlic actively reduces exercise-induced fatigue. Actually, humans have known about this biological life hack for thousands of years. In ancient times, garlic was widely used to fight exhaustion and boost physical performance. It was even given to the original Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. So yes, a simple clove of garlic really packs that much power. Reason number 7, your brain will run like a well-oiled machine. Garlic water is linked to various anti-aging processes, including a significant boost in brain function. It turns out, this is largely thanks to the lower blood pressure and reduced cholesterol levels we talked about earlier. In 2006, the School of Medicine at Tufts University conducted research confirming that garlic actively reduces the risk of dementia, a broad category of brain diseases that cause difficulties with thinking and memory loss. Another study from the same university showed that garlic significantly lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. When it comes to the aging process itself, garlic is packed with crucial antioxidants. These compounds boost your body's natural defense mechanisms against oxidative damage, which is exactly what accelerates aging. So, if you want to instantly wake up your brain in the morning, a glass of garlic water will definitely do the trick. Reason number 8, you will actually lose weight. Who doesn't want to be a little leaner, right? Well, believe it or not, garlic water can help you with that too. If you drink a glass of garlic water first thing in the morning before breakfast, you essentially kickstart your digestive system, ensuring it runs smoothly for the rest of the day. On top of that, French researchers discovered that the sulfur compounds found in garlic actively block the inflammatory processes that fat cells actually need in order to grow and expand. As a result, not only do you lose a significant amount of body fat in a completely natural and healthy way, but your body also becomes much better at absorbing the nutrients from the food you eat. Plus, garlic water is famous for soothing a whole range of stomach issues, from abdominal pain and bloating to even diarrhea. So, yeah, your gut will definitely thank you for this small tweak to your daily routine. Reason number 9, your skin will get noticeably clearer. If you feel like you've been battling acne for 1,000 years and still can't find a product to fix the problem once and for all, garlic water is basically made for you. Garlic is a potent antioxidant packed with exceptional anti-inflammatory properties that help flush toxins out of your system. And as we know, when your body is completely healthy on the inside, your skin looks flawless on the outside. The research backs this up too. For instance, a study conducted by Iranian scientists proved that garlic significantly cuts down the number of acne breakouts. Reason number 10. Your body will clear itself of toxins. Even though your liver and kidneys do a great job of keeping toxins at bay, it never hurts to give your body's natural detox system a little boost. And garlic water is perfect for the job. The high levels of sulfur found in garlic gently and naturally help flush out harmful compounds and bacteria. In fact, a 2-week study conducted by the Mashhad University of Medical Sciences confirmed that garlic significantly reduces clinical signs of toxicity while strengthening the immune system like nothing else. This is exactly why it's so effective at fighting off colds and the flu. So, the next time you feel like your immune system needs some backup, drink a little garlic water. You really can't go wrong. So, what do you think? Garlic simply has way too many benefits to ignore, right? If you want to add garlic water to your daily routine, it's incredibly easy. Just chop a couple of garlic cloves into small pieces and drop them into a glass of water. Give it a good stir, and your garlic water is ready. Just remember to drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. That way, your body absorbs absolutely all of the nutrients. And if you want another healthy option, try making garlic tea before bed. It helps your body relax and detoxify overnight, so you wake up feeling completely refreshed. To make it, peel 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and cut them in half. Pour 3 cups of water into a pot, add the garlic, and bring it to a boil. Take it off the heat, add half a cup of lemon juice and half a cup of honey. Take out the garlic pieces, and your tea is ready to enjoy. Do you know of any other simple, healthy morning drinks? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next episode of Everyday Decoded.